So here we have the left endocardium from the living heart model. And I'm just going to use this as a basis for how to show you how to modify this surface. So all subdivision surfaces are basically controlled using the app called Imagine and Shape. And so I'm going to use the compass over here to navigate to Imagine and Shape. Now we're in Imagine and Shape, we can see that there's a bunch of different tabs here. The main one that we want to focus on is just the Shape Sculpting tab, which is where all of the tools are related to subdivision surfaces. The Shape Operations tab is really quite similar to GSD, Generative Shape Design, that just allows you to operate with similar tools to GSD, but within this workbench. So back within Shape Sculpt, first of all, the main tool that we'll be using here is this IMA modification tool, which is also just accessible by double-clicking the actual subdivision in the tree. So here, this is the symbol for a subdivision. If I double-click into it, it brings up this toolbar as well as the actual control mesh that's associated with our final surface. You can see I can get out of this tool palette, this tool,